What's up? So it is Apple Test Up here, and today I'm making this kind of a quick video. Well, it may not be quick, but I wanted to address an issue, guys. So first off, I did want to address this because this does not seem right at all. I at least wanted to, let you guys know what's going on. A lot of people probably don't even know about this, but there's a YouTuber in the jailbreak scene. This is why I'm also covering this, because I am mainly a jailbreaking YouTuber, even though I don't do jailbreaking videos, and this is exactly why I do not do jailbreaking videos anymore. Back in the day, you guys can do this, and it wouldn't be a problem. But like for the last like 5 or 6 years or whatever, YouTube did cut down on these type of videos. Sure, people had jailbreak. YouTube doesn't like that. Apparently now it goes against their policy, even though it didn't back then, or YouTube's got more strict. Or just enforcing their policies a lot more strictly in the last couple of years. But that's just how it is, guys. Actually, for the last like 6 years, 7 years probably. It's been a while, but like 8, 9 years ago, it was a different world. With YouTube, like you can do all kinds of videos, and now you get flagged for everything. So this is not just like someone got a strike. This is actually kind of popular. He's pretty popular. Like he's more, I guess, popular like on Twitter. But he had a YouTube channel that he just did like podcast on and talked about different things. And his channel actually got terminated. So he posted this, and this was pretty recent. This was actually today. So he posted, it has 35,000 views, 56 likes, 6 bookmarks, 3 quotes, 3 reposts. So you see, this is the post right here. So pretty much they said, "Hi, JailbreakHub live highlights." So he's not even like a jailbreak, and he's jailbreak YouTuber, but like he just, I guess, talks about it, like the podcast and all that, or talks about jailbreaking. And he still got like terminated, which is bizarre. So they just told him that we found that severe or repeated violations of our spam, deceptive practices, and scam policies. Because of this, we have removed your channel from YouTube. So yeah, removed his channel, so he got permanently terminated, pretty much, or terminated at least. I do want to mention a couple of things, guys. So I'll mention now before I forget, is that you guys don't ever want to like dispute something one time, okay? Fun fact is that my channel actually got terminated like 9 years ago, 8 years ago, and I appealed for it. I got denied. I appealed for it a second time and actually got approved, which is kind of like, whoa, that makes no sense. You appealed once, you got denied, and you appealed again, you got approved. It doesn't make sense, because if I would have stopped at that first time, I would never get my channel back, and it's crazy to think about. So yes, I work at a bank. It's the same thing. Like when customers are like restricted from using Zelle, I deal with Zelle a lot. We send up requests to get them to get their account like reinstated, not their account, their Zelle account or Zelle profile reinstated, so they can use Zelle again. And literally a couple years ago, this happened to me. Maybe like a week ago, I sent a request, got denied. I sent another request up. I did two by accident, but we usually do one. But I did one request up. I forgot to put in some information or something like that. I forgot to do like one thing, and I sent another request up. 2 different people looked at it, obviously. The first person denied it, the second person approved it, and they got their Zelle back. So it goes to show you, like, it's silly. That's just how it is. So my advice is, don't ever give up. Like, you might get someone who's just having a bad day, or someone who just doesn't want to reinstate it, while you get someone else that is more understanding, or that looks at their policy reviews, or just has a different opinion or viewpoint, and they might reinstate it. So don't give up. I mean, if you're watching this JailbreakHub live highlights, definitely dispute it as much times as you can, because you never know. So that's a fun fact about me. My channel got terminated. I disputed once, denied. I appealed it for a second time. It got approved. So never give up. So then it says that we know this policy is representing news, but our job makes sure YouTube's a safe place. Safe place. Like, for me, I mean, these are just jailbreaking videos. Like, no one's getting hurt here. I love how they say it's spam, deceptive practice, and scams policy. I do want to say something, guys, which is pretty much like why, like, well, who cares or whatever, because I'm going to show you guys in a second. So you can see I was posting highlights from the interview I did, and the channel got terminated. Please provide some actual context here. So he wasn't even like posting like, "Oh, that's how you jailbreak, blah blah blah," which whatever. Still not like huge. He wasn't even doing that. He was just posting highlights from the interview, and then they terminate his channel. That's crazy. Like, that makes no sense. And then I will take video the comments saying, "I hope you can get this resolved. YouTube's automated system is terrible." I agree. If YouTube watching this, I don't agree. But if you're not watching this, I agree. Those are highlights. Channel has an alternative. If you guys see my channel being like terminated out of nowhere, you know why. But there's your highlights channel. Has an alternate email than your main channel, because doesn't YouTube might take your main channel down as well. It's valuable information isn't allowed anymore. Yeah, the highlights channel had an alternative email, but I went through support on my main channel to get it resolved. Now I know how it is for people just starting. Yeah, it's rough. So, and lastly, I do want to mention is this right here. Opa, big developer in the jailbreak community. They did post a Yeah, they did post a tweet saying, considering that there are multiple channels that are still post fake jailbreak videos, despite the fact I've contacted YouTube support on Twitter multiple times, and they explicitly stating that the scam content does not violate their guidelines, is beyond ridiculous. So there are a lot of fake scam videos on how to jailbreak. Download like these different injections. Injections are always fake. So like you see these people going to weird websites, download injections, and it's fake. Like look up like known YouTubers, or even ask me in the comments. I can tell you, or just look up like the known jailbreaks. I don't get too much talking about jailbreaks specifically, or I don't want this video to get taken down. But that's why I stopped doing these type of videos, like jailbreak videos, because of stuff like this. Like I might do the top tweets videos, but that's it. Like how to jailbreak, I stay away from that because I don't want to lose my channel. I worked very hard on my channel, and I'm spending money on the ads and all that, so I'm investing in my channel, and I've been doing my channel since I was like 14, so it's been literally like 11 years since I've been doing YouTube. I'm starting to finally grow again, so I don't want to lose it. It's not worth it. So that's like the main point. Like I really wanted to like consider this because I want to address this, guys. This is like, it's crazy. So think about like these YouTubers, these people are making money from like you clicking their links, making money from YouTube by literally deceptive. Like literally these links are fake. Like they're fake jailbreaks, not real jailbreaks. Again, you click on their stuff, probably download malware, get viruses, get your phone, computer infected, like, and then it's not even real. And they buy their comments, like you see these fake comments saying, "Oh, it works. Oh, it's great. It works. But all the real comments that say this doesn't work, they delete them. So it's full to the comment section. So it's making you believe that this is legit when it's not legit. And these videos are deceptive as heck, right? Like this is what YouTube's policy is supposed to remove these videos, but yet YouTube does not do this. Like you see, Opa334 told YouTube these videos are fake. They're not real jailbreaks, and yet they're taking down videos that are real jailbreaks and of people, real YouTubers, legit YouTubers, I can say, who are talking about this stuff, which is beyond crazy. It's a joke. I 100% agree. But yeah, look at this. Post videos about fake jailbreak scams that instruct users to click shady links or purchase fake software on a channel that was created in 2011, totally okay. But we post videos about real jailbreaks on a channel that was recently created, not okay. YouTube, this is really a joke at this point. Not sure how they're still a relevant platform. So, and then I'm going to show you this last thing. For your other concern, we confirm the content does not violate policies that were made up. We understand you might not agree with the decision. We might assure that our policy team carefully reviews all content that's brought to our attention. So it's crazy. So they're saying that they reviewed these fake jailbreak videos and that apparently they're not going against their policy. Isn't that deceptive? Like that's guys, I don't understand it. This is crazy. Yeah, and then saying how to report it. It's useless. Accounts with 2006 can do whatever they want. So I guess like it's kind of like these accounts, if like the accounts are like old, sounds like in that tweet saying like if the accounts are old, they don't like get like they don't get treated the same. Like they get like if they make a video, they don't get like removed and all that. But if like a new YouTube channel like posts the same content, it's more likely to get removed or like restricted or strike down. I don't really know. I never knew that, but that's what it sounds like here. See right here. Yeah, so it's crazy, guys. I mean, I can't lie to you. That's just bizarre. I'm not happy to see or hear that. Sign. I wonder if there's anything I can do to get this fake garbage thing down. If only Team YouTube had a competent anti-scam staff. Troll store. I always told how to install Troll store without jailbreak. Whatever. But there's just a lot of fake jailbreak videos, guys. And YouTube really needs to take them down because it's deceptive. It's not real. It's not like legit jailbreaks. It's just so they can get money and views and make you download their viruses or malware or it's awful. I don't know why YouTube still allows these videos to be up, but yeah, that's how it is, guys. Fraud is fine. YouTube 2023. You guys, thanks for watching, and let me know what you guys think about this down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.